Mastering user access. Only the initiated know whose needs come first. Who is responsible for prioritizing user access requests based on their level of business criticality, and what are the specific criteria used to determine the order in which they are fulfilled? In the context of user access, operational excellence, the responsibility for prioritizing user access requests based on their level of business criticality lies with the access request manager or the designated access request coordinator. This individual is responsible for reviewing and prioritizing all access requests, ensuring that they are fulfilled in a timely and efficient manner, and aligning with the organization's operational excellence goals. The Access Request Manager uses specific criteria to determine the order in which access requests are fulfilled. These criteria include: 1. Business criticality, the level of impact the requested access has on business operations. Requests that are critical to business continuity, revenue generation, or customer satisfaction are prioritized higher than those that are nice to have or non-essential. 2. Urgency, the time sensitivity of the request. Requests that require immediate attention, such as access needed for a critical project deadline or a production issue, are prioritized higher than those that can wait. 3. Risk level, the level of risk associated with granting the requested access. Requests that pose a higher risk to the organization's assets, data, or systems are prioritized lower than those that carry a lower risk. 4. Compliance requirements, the level of compliance required for the requested access. Requests that are mandated by regulatory requirements or industry standards are prioritized higher than those that are discretionary. 5. System impact, the level of impact the requested access has on system performance, availability, or security. Requests that have the potential to compromise system integrity or performance are prioritized lower than those that do not. 6. User role, the role and responsibilities of the user requesting access. Requests from senior leaders or critical users are prioritized higher than those from non-essential users. 7. Request history, the history of previous access requests from the user. Requests from users with a history of abusing access privileges are prioritized lower than those from users with a clean history. 8. Managerial approval, the level of managerial approval required for the requested access. Requests that require approval from senior management are prioritized higher than those that require only line manager approval. To ensure that access requests are fulfilled in a timely and efficient manner, the Access Request Manager follows a standardized process that includes: 1. Initial review. The Access Request Manager reviews the request to ensure it is complete, accurate, and meets the organization's access policies and procedures. 2. Prioritization. The Access Request Manager prioritizes the request based on the above criteria, using a weighted scoring system to determine the order of fulfillment. 3. Approval. The Access Request Manager obtains approval from the required stakeholders, including line managers, senior leaders, and IT security teams. 4. Fulfillment. The Access Request Manager fulfills the request by granting the required access, ensuring that the user is properly trained and aware of their responsibilities. 5. Verification. The Access Request Manager verifies that the access has been granted correctly and that the user is able to perform their duties effectively. 6. Tracking. The Access Request Manager tracks the request from initiation to fulfillment, ensuring that all requests are accounted for and that the organization's access management processes are operating effectively. By following this process and using the specified criteria, the Access Request Manager ensures that user access requests are prioritized and fulfilled in a manner that aligns with the organization's operational excellence goals, minimizing delays, and ensuring that business operations continue uninterrupted.